Hi guys, good morning. It's KCFX. Today I want to be talking about pairs, which we'll be looking at in the first week of July. Okay, so I'll be looking at GU, EU, GJ, looking at gold, and maybe we'll check silver, and also we'll be looking at Sol USD, which is Solana, that's the crypto pair. We're looking at Bitcoin, that's the BTC USD. Okay, so all this pair I'll be talking about right on this video session. Okay, so let's make sure we work from the beginning to the end. Okay, all right guys, let's go. All right, first and foremost, I'm going to start from the future pairs, which consist of EU, GU, GJ, and also commodity pairs, gold, silver. I'll start from there before I head into gold, crypto pair. Okay, so I'm going to start with USD, which we have here. Okay, so USD, we can see clearly that USD is we can see clearly we still have downtrend still very much visible on this pair. It's the 4 hours time frame. Okay, as I always say on my videos, we use 4 hours time frame to see what the market is actually doing. Okay, the daily and 4 hours time frame are what you can use to determine what the market is actually doing or really wants to do. Okay, or the trend of the market. Okay, you can use these time frames, daily or 4 hours time frame. I prefer using 4 hours time frame. Okay, so on 4 hours time frame, you can see already the peak there that we have lower low here, lower high here, lower low here, lower high here, lower low here as well, lower high, and also we have a lower low at this level. Okay, and you can see I draw my Fibonacci retracement to from this level towards this level for us to get our new lower high. Okay, we don't do anything except we see our lower high come to play, and that's it here. Okay, so what did we do to get that to play? Okay, so I'm going to take this out and just do it real quick. Okay, we go to the Fibonacci retracement tool because we want to see a high, that's a lower high on the downtrend movement. We take our Fibonacci retracement tool from the low here up to the previous one here. Okay, that's to determine our high, and you can see clearly our high is this red line, which is the 0.5 and 0.618 area. That's the golden zone. This area is the golden zone. Okay, that's what we want to see, right? So we want to see price come and hit this red dash line that you have here, and if I zoom in properly, you can see price did not get to that level. Okay, price got close, but we don't want price to get close. We want to see price at least touch it. Okay, that's just the rule. Okay, price needs to touch it for us to start looking for downside, but forget you see price going to the downside. It's what it is. Okay, price sometimes might not really do what you want and still go down. Okay, so that's what it's doing, but we make sure we are following rules. Okay, we want to see price come towards the 0.618 area, which is this 0.618 area. Okay, before we can start looking for price looking for price coming towards the golden zone, then we take entry for more downside. Okay, that's the whole plan for EU. Okay, but at the moment we didn't see price do that. Price came very close to it, but price did not touch that line. So for now, what we want to see now, okay, I want to see price do this in this new week, which we're going to be entering. Okay, and before I forget, okay, happy new month in advance. More green peeps for us. Okay, so moving on. All right, so we want to see price come up this way. Okay, we want to see price come up this way, tap into the 0.618 area, which is this area here. Okay, want to see price tap into this, and what happens? We need to see price come into the golden zone and criteria is checked, and what we're going to see price come towards the downside. Okay, so this is what we want to see in this coming week of July. Okay, so we're expecting price to come up like this, touch the 0.618 area, and price needs to come down and into our golden zone, which is this area, and of course our criteria needs to be checked, and we take an entry towards the downside. Okay, so that's what we're expecting to see. Okay, All right, so USD, that's that for USD. I remember, you know, GBP USD and USD, they work in hand. Okay, if EU is going up, GU is going up. If EU is going down, GU is going down. Okay, so we are to expect the same scenario here. Okay, same scenario what we have on EU. Okay, we saw price come towards the downside, giving us lower high here and also a lower low here. Okay, and now we have a lower low here, and of course our lower high is above. We want to see price come towards that level, but we are yet to see price come towards that level. So what we want to see now, okay, this new week, we want to see price, okay, come towards this side, okay, come up, okay, towards this side, tap into the 0.618 area, okay, and price needs to come down to the golden zone, and criteria needs to be checked, and what happens, we take our entry towards the downside. Okay, so we're waiting for that to happen in this new week. Okay, so we want to see price come towards this high here, towards the 0.618 area. Then we will see price come down into our golden zone, criteria is checked, and price we enter an entry towards the downside. Okay, so that's what we want to see. All right, so moving forward to next pair. Okay, let's look at GJ. Okay, GJ, GBP, JPY. What do we see here? We're still very much in the 4 hours time frame, and you can see clearly on this pair we're still very much in a downward trend. Why? The reason is because price has not broken this line. Okay, if price breaks this black line which you have here, you can see I tagged it there. I said if price breaks this level, it's going to be overall bullish. So price is still very much beneath the black line. So we still are going to be watching this pair. Okay, we want to see if we're going to be taking an entry for this pair. We want to see price do this for us. We want to see price come up, okay, cross this previous lower high to this level. Okay, price must not break this black line. Okay, price needs to come to this level towards the downside, golden zone again, criteria, and we push downwards. Okay, that's we taking an entry towards the downside. So that's what we want to see. But if price does this, if price pushes up, breaks this black line, now we start looking to buy. Okay, we're not going to be selling now. Okay, so we've been selling for close to 2 months now because price has been trending towards the downside for a while, for almost all the pairs. So that is the reason why we are keep selling. Okay, we are not buying, we keep selling. So if price still keeps showing us that it wants to keep going down, we keep selling. Okay, we don't buy. Remember, our rule is making sure we are following the trend. We are not fighting or changing anything or forcing anything. We are just working and doing what the trend is doing. If the trend is saying buy, we're looking to buy. If the trend is saying sell, we're looking to sell. Okay, so that's what we do. All right, so GJ, I think I'll be able to explain that, okay, briefly, because there's nothing to show there on GJ, so we just need to watch and see how price reacts, okay, in this new week. All right, so we're going to be going into Solana USD. Solana USD is really slow, okay, for a while now. That's the 4 hours time frame. We're looking to take a sell entry very soon in the VIP area. Okay, very soon we'll be taking an entry at this level. I'm going to go to one here. You know what? Let's work on gold first, okay? Then I'll go into crypto because we are already in the trade there, so I can really explain what's happening, okay? So on gold, we're still very much in the 4 hours time frame, and very much gold has been bearish, okay, for a while now. You can see we have a lower low here, okay, and now we want to see price come into the 0.618 area, which is this level here, okay, and you can see price is already going towards that level. So what we want to see, we want to see price, okay, let me zoom in so you can see clearly. Okay, lower high is going to be here. I'm going to take out this so I can explain better. Okay, now price already going towards our 0.618 area. So one price to keep on moving towards this area. There's 0.618 area, this area here, right? Just a touch is okay for us. A touch, and also price is to come back into the golden zone. Okay, and criteria also needs to be checked. I will need to expect more push to the downside for gold. Okay, so this is what we want to see in this new week. Okay, the only time gold can start becoming bullish again, or maybe taking charge, all right, we need to see price keep moving higher and cross this lower high, okay, which we have here. All right, if price breaks this purple line for this lower high, it means gold is now getting stronger. So we'll be seeing a price puncturing this area and also price coming down here, and we start looking for a buy around this level towards the upside. Okay, so that's what we're looking at, that if price goes towards the upside. So either way, we stay proactive, okay, and let the market come to us and react. All right, so that's that for gold. Nothing much to say, everything has been set. We just want price to play out for us to either watch it or to not to chase it, but to enter and take something out from the market. Okay, so all right guys, so let's move towards Solana USD. Okay, Solana USD right now, we are anticipating an entry here towards the downside. I'm going to go towards the 1 hour time frame to see. Okay, all right, we are wanting to see price come towards the downside here, okay, for low, but this is for our VIP members, okay. Only show them how we use this setup alone, okay. This is mainly for my VIP mentorship program, okay. I'm not going to be sharing this for us here. Only our VIP has access to this setup. This is what we use to take trades every day, okay. We can take 4 or 5 trades in a week because of this whole setup we are working on, okay. So only our VIP mentorship program gets to understand how this works, okay. All right, so I'm going to talk on Solana USD. Okay, you can see clearly we have a lower high here, lower low here. What do we expect to see on this market? Okay, we want to see price come towards the downside. That's exactly what we want to see. We want to see price either price come down further, cross this previous lower low, give us a new lower low here, okay, and price needs to come out, give us a new lower high, or what we could see price just shoot up, okay, cross the previous lower high here, and of course because this lower high did not give us a new lower low down here, would expect a new lower high at this level, okay. So if price comes up towards this level, we're expecting a new lower high, which is going to be at this level here, okay. And if this happens, we need to see price come down, okay, into a golden zone, criteria checked, and we sell again towards the downside. So either way, we are ready to take a shot for Solana USD, okay. All right, so I'm going to go into Bitcoin now. Okay, so Bitcoin right now, we're in a trade. We're in a trade in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is acting really slow now, but it's what it is. We wait and let market decide. Okay, so right now on 4 hours time frame, let's see what is happening. Okay, now Bitcoin, generally speaking, Bitcoin is very much on the bearish side. Bitcoin needs to come towards the downside. Okay, we want to see price. Bitcoin at first is bearish. Okay, Bitcoin is very much bearish. Okay, but first, what we want to see, okay, we need to see price come towards this level, okay, hit a 0.618 area, then as well price needs to come down, okay, into the golden zone, criteria is checked, and price needs to come down further. Okay, so we are anticipating price coming towards the 0.618 area, which is this level here. Okay, this is what we want to see, price coming into this level. But at the moment, we're in a trade here for a short TP1 scalping to get our gains out. Okay, we are waiting for price to possibly come towards this downside as soon as possible. We want to see price come towards this level and we take our profit, and of course if price wants to go up, that will still be okay with us, but first we want to see price come towards the downside for a quick profit for us. Okay, so all right, so that's that for pairs for this new week. So nothing much to say. We always make sure we are doing our best to give us the best. Okay, you know how we do it. Okay, we don't rush, we don't force, we don't do anything, we don't try to be greedy. Okay, we take what we can take and let the market do the rest. Okay, all right, so guys, I'm going to be signing out here, and I'll be seeing you guys around either in the chat or assisting anyhow I can. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, all right guys, I'll be signing out here. KCFX out, see you guys around. Again, happy new month and more green pips for us. Okay. Alright guys, see you guys around. Peace out.